Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Driver Boost in your computer in a very simple way. Driver Boost detects outdated drivers and updated them automatically. So it's a very important app for the Windows user. So what you have to do for downloading, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Driver Boost. And click enter, and here you're going to find out the Driver Booster 13 free, so you can simply click on that. It's also the same, and you can simply click on free download and click on download, and it starts downloading, so it will take some seconds to complete. And then simply click on the folder, and here is the Driver Booster setup. So if you click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, and simply minimize all the background tab, and it's come over into install. So you click on install, accept, and don't accept this one because it's another iTop screen recorder free, so you don't need to accept it. Just you can see it's installing, and as you can see that the driver installation is completed. Now what you can do, you can simply click on no thanks, and you can simply now click on scan now. So if you scan now, then it will going to check here, scan your drivers that are up to date or not. So it's another video about it. So if you need another kinds of help about this video, then you can simply comment below. I will make another video to help you how you can simply do that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.